I was actually in my neighborhood. I just walked outside and saw a truck, and I was interested in seeing what they were doing, and I got a card from one of their workers, and that was that simple. Very friendly, and it took time, and it's not like he was trying to push anything on me. He just sat down, went over a few things, and I found that, for me, most inviting. I was really surprised how neat they were. They were really friendly. They were on time, and it just seemed to be a really good system. Like everything was in place. Like one guy was doing this, another guy was doing that. So I found it really orchestrated really well. I have to tell you, I really had no expectation because I never had new windows put in. But from what I used to have to what I have now, fantastic. I mean, my thermostat hardly goes off now. So. Absolutely, absolutely. There's no reason why I wouldn't. I think these guys do a solid job all around, and I've actually hired them to come back and do some floor for me.